बायोफ्लोक फार्मिंग के बारे में. तो मेनली दिस इज द रिलेटेड टू द फिश फार्मिंग इन सम स्पेसिफिक कंडीशन वी आर डूइंग सो दैट द excreta of those fish can be treated as a fertilizers. So if you see, they are asking some of the technology in the agriculture, like the biorock technology for the corals they are. So if you are reading the specific the agriculture, focus on the new technology there. Now there is a new technology for the corals known as cryotechnology. इस तरीके की technology they can also ask in the examination. So you need to be focused on the what are the new technology in the news. So make a separate page. तो वहाँ पे सारी technology लिखो and learn them those technologies. So let's come to the statement. It is a method of growing plants without the use of soil is known as the hydroponic, or we can also call it the aeroponic. Second, it is a method of high density fish farming in a controlled environment, converting fish waste to the useful nutrition. It is a method of growing crops using only biofertilizers and shows soil fertility. इसको हम कहते हैं organic farming. Next, it is a method of cultivation of corals for the commercial purpose. So the answer we can say कि we can be sure कि 100% the answer will be the B here.